What is up, guys? It's Garrett from Backyard Foundry. And so if you saw the title, my forge has worn out after like a couple dozen heatings. So I decided I'm going to replace it and try a new kind of design of one. So the point of this video is to test whether my new design is more efficient versus the old design. So the way the test is going to be set up is I'm going to let both of them run for 10 minutes at 10 psi and then measure the outside temperature of each. With the new lid, of course. The old lid is broken.
Alrighty, so it's been 10 minutes. We'll turn it off. And see how hot it is. It is smoking a little. It's probably just the paint burning off of the lid. It's probably toxic to some degree, but yeah, whatever. Alright, so it looks like the temperature ranged anywhere from about 120 all the way up to about 300-400 near where the lid and the forge meet. That's probably because there's less insulation right there at that gap. So we'll run this test again with the new upgraded forge and see if it's more efficient or less efficient. Alrighty, so as you guys saw, the temperature ranges were from about 150 to a little over 200, which I'd call a success because the range, while a little elevated on the low end, is definitely much more compact and far lower on the high end. So I'd call that a success. Efficiency-wise, it is far more efficient than my previous design. Now, if you didn't see how I did this upgrade, it was in a previous video, and I would appreciate you checking that out if you're curious. But if not, thank you for watching. Please like it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you enjoyed the video, or like me, you cannot stop the unending march of time and your hair is thinning out, consider leaving a like so we can support each other.